Find training schools for computer repair. Computers are widely used these days. Not only are computers present in the workplace but in average American homes as well, so much so that these machines are now considered a regular household appliance. This accounts for the ever-increasing demand for competent computer repair technicians. One has to go through a series of computer repair training courses to become a competent computer repair technician. Computer repair training courses usually last for 2 years. Most of the people who successfully finish these series of computer repair courses will most likely prefer going through apprenticeship programs to further their skills. Shadowing or assisting a certified and very knowledgeable computer repair technician will not only benefit the newbie technician, but will also enforce his base of knowledge and enrich his competence in the field of computer repair. There are numerous options when you want to find training schools for computer repair. Firstly, you will have to decide whether you want to physically attend the classes or go for the study from home option. If you decide to go for the first option, then you will have to look for community colleges, trade schools, or vocational training institutes in and around your area. Make sure that you go for those institutions that are accredited by the government and really hire certified instructors. Now, the second option, which is distance learning, will provide you with more flexibility in schedule, plus the fact that you no longer have to attend classes in person. Not only does this option save you time but money for gasoline expenses as well. However, there are downsides to learning computer repair online. The very obvious would be that you would not be able to see actual computer repair techniques and demonstrations. Once you have completed the computer repair course, you may want to choose to get certified afterwards. Not only will this define your computer repair specialty but greatly increase your chances of landing a well-paying job. Browse through the internet to find a comprehensive listing of computer repair schools in your state. This is especially true if you want to study specific computer repair courses online. Make sure that you put forth all of your inquiries such as payment costs and options. Another alternative would be to visit local community colleges or trade schools. This way, you immediately get answers to questions such as the tuition fees and requirements. Bear in mind that some community colleges will require their students to bring their own utility kit complete with the necessary tools for the trade.